In the kingdom, restoration is not repair. Restoration is elevation. Joel 2:25, God says, He will restore the years, not just things. That means the time you lost, the opportunities you missed, the identity life tried to break. God is restoring it stronger. If you're asking, where do I even start? Start here. Number one, renew your identity. You are not your past. You are a child of God. Number two, renew your vision. God is restoring your sight. You will dream again. Number three, renew your structure. Pray, yes, but plan, build, and move on. Say this with me. I am being restored. My purpose is rising again. God is restoring my years. If this spoke to you, follow for more. Keep your mind kingdom, because we are unlocking purpose one episode at a time.
Naamini sitawahi kuachwa, milele milele nitamrudishia sifa.